discuss about TS of leaf. Where does photosynthesis takes place? Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Where does chloroplast present? Chloroplast present in palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma and stomata. Where does palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma and stomata are present? If we observe TS of leaf under the microscope, this is leaf. Cut the leaf. Suppose this is leaf, this is upper epidermis, this is lower epidermis. Between the parenchyma cells are present. This is upper epidermis, this is lower epidermis. These both are dermal tissue. This is vein pot. Vein pot is called vascular tissue. This is xylem. This is pollen. Remaining all parenchyma tissue. This is palisade parenchyma. This is spongy parenchyma. This is chloroplast. Palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma have dot-like structure. Is called chloroplast. God cells also called as dot-like structure is called chloroplast. Upper cuticle layer, upper epidermis, palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma. Lower epidermis, lower cuticle layer, vascular tissue, xylem, pollen, 8 spaces. Differences between palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma between upper epidermis, spongy parenchyma. Spongy parenchyma between palisade parenchyma, lower epidermis. Palisade parenchyma arranged in sequence. Spongy parenchyma arranged in zigzag manner. Palisade parenchyma do not have 8 spaces. Spongy parenchyma have intercellular spaces have 8 spaces. Palisade parenchyma have more chloroplasts. Spongy parenchyma have less chloroplasts. The main function of palisade parenchyma is photosynthesis. The main function of spongy parenchyma is gases exchange and photosynthesis. Parenchyma arranged in sequence. Spongy parenchyma arranged in zigzag manner.